Samsung's looking to dominate the smartphone market once again with its flagship S22 lineup. Like last year, the company is releasing 3 devices of various sizes. But what's different is one of these phones is actually a Samsung Note. That's right, Samsung is bringing back the Note form factor and S Pen experience to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This phone looks and feels just like a Note 20 Ultra from 2 years ago. It features a 6.8-inch display with a 1440 by 380 pixel resolution and 120 Hz variable refresh rate. That can go as low as 1 Hz when you're looking at something static. And it has a 240 Hz touch sampling rate when you're playing games, which should make the experience far better. In Canada, it features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and up to 12 GB of RAM and a 1 TB storage. Camera-wise, Samsung has improved its low-light photography and has added 12-bit HDR. And you can expect a 108 megapixel primary shooter and 10 times zoom. However, I need to spend more time with the device before making any conclusions about its camera. This time, the phone comes with its S Pen, just like a Note, with updated features, and it connects via Bluetooth. The phone feels pretty big in my hands and rectangular, but it's not actually an issue. It kind of fits pretty well in my hand. But I think I need to put it through its paces and try out some gaming and take some pictures before I come to any conclusion about this pretty stellar phone. Samsung will officially release the phone on February 25th, and it starts at $1649 in Canada. But if this phone is too big or too squared or too much for your blood, Samsung's S22 starts at $1099 and the Plus starts at $1399, and they both launch on the same day. Stay tuned to MobileSyrup for more coverage on the S22 and for our final review later.